Patricia and welcome back to my channel. I've got my Ipsy bag. This will be my very last Ipsy. I canceled. I'm not going to get any more Ipsys. I don't want any more samples. I don't need any of these things. So yeah, this is it. My last Ipsy for quite a while, I'm sure. I did use up my points. I have been searching and searching, looking on their site, wanting to use up my points, and there was never anything I'm really interested in. I got this lip balm, this Eco Lips Lip Food Vanilla Lavender with Pumpkin Seed Oil. It doesn't excite me. I'll just put it with my other lip balms and I will eventually get to it. So yeah, so here's the bag. And I guess there is a card inside. It looks like there's lips on the bag. I think that's lips. Here's the card, and I'm sure mine's been sitting here. I just haven't felt like filming. Force of Nature. This is April's bag. Okay. Let's see what we got in here. I did not pick an item. I missed the date to pick it. Really wasn't on my mind. So, all right. Let's see what we got here. I got a Hey Honey Trick and Treat lip balm, and there we go. And it's a watermelon balm, which I am allergic to watermelon, so I will pass this on to my mother-in-law. Next, Gold Fadden Wake Up Call Overnight Regenerative Facial Treatment. That sounds nice for dry aging skin. I will use that. Let's see, that lip balm, the full size sells for $28. That is not a full size. The full size of this sells for $85. But I will try that. That sounds pretty nice. Next, I guess it's this right here. Pacifica. Oh, Cherry Gold Highlighter and Brush. This is nice. Get it open. If I can. I can't get it open. Jeez. My goodness. There we go. Oh, it's got a mirror on the back. That's it. Oh, that's a nice size. This is a deluxe sample. The full size is $17.99. That's all the size I need. Do they have names? Do they have different names? Oh, let's see. No. Okay. This is the blush. That blush is a beautiful shade. And this is the highlighter. Oh, it's like a rosy gold. Let's see if you can see them. There we go. Not bad. I really like that. That's very nice. Okay, next I have, I don't even know how to pronounce this. Verify 2020 Eye Cream. Okay. It doubles as a primer. I'm going to put a little on my hand. Just, no, it doesn't have a scent. Okay. Pretty cool as an eye primer and an eye cream. And then last I got an eyeshadow palette. I don't know how to pronounce this. Oryza. O-R-Y-Z-A. It's in plastic. Take that off. Golden Hour is the one I got. Oh, there's some very pretty shades. There we go. I'm not going to swatch them. I'm not sure I'm going to keep it. So, anyway, there we go. So that is everything. The full size of this sells for $20. Oh, this is full size. That's the full size? Full size, $20. Wow. I don't know so much about that. But there we go. Eye cream, full size sells for $60.38. That's a deluxe sample. The highlighter and blush is $17.99, and this is a deluxe sample. The facial treatment, $85. This is a deluxe sample. And the lip tint is $28 full size. This is a deluxe sample. So, not bad. I would not pay $20 for this, though. Just heads up, I wouldn't. Anyway, there we go. So guys, this is, like I said, my last Ipsy. So thank y'all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe. Any questions or comments? What'd you guys get? Leave it down below, and thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time.